to sounds of life.
يا طيبة يا طيبة يا دوا العيانة اشتقنا لك والهوى نادانا والهوى نادانا. صلى الإله وسلم على النبي المكرم منح طير الحمام على الأراضي ورثنا.
يا ربي بالمصطفى بلغ مقاصدنا واغفر لنا ما مضى يا واسع الكرم. مولاي صل وسلم على حبيبك يا سيدي. Never forget to say لا إله إلا الله. Every night and every night and every day. Never forget to say لا إله إلا الله. Never forget to say لا إله إلا الله. If we want to succeed, we must purify our creed, obey Him in every deed. La ilaha illallah, obey Him in every deed. La ilaha illallah.
I'm serious. I chose to be a stand-up comedian. I was so happy when I came up with this decision. I was a little scared about approaching my mother, though, you know. Everybody else in my family has PhDs, yes. Engineering degrees, yes. I was a little scared. I walked up to my mom. I was like, "Yeah, Ma, I know what I want to do for a living." My mom looked at me. She's like, "إيش حبيبي? حبيب قلبي. يا روحي. What do you want to be? A doctor, inshallah? Engineer like your brother? Oh, what are you going to do?" "I want to be a comedian." "You want to be what?" "I want to be a comedian." "You want to be a loser? That's what you want to be?" Astaghfirullah.
أحمد يا حبيبي حبيبي سلام عليك. الله الله يا عون الغريب. بدنا صوت يصل عن سيدنا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. أحمد يا حبيبي حبيبي سلام عليك. يا عون الغريب سلام عليك. أحمد يا حبيبي حبيبي لما وصلنا المدينة فاضت دمعة من عينيه. لما وصلنا المدينة فاضت دمعة من knows tomorrow could be your day.
At last it comes to heaven or hell. Decide which now, do not delay.
Come on, my brothers,
Let us pray.
decide which now, do not delay.
The path we walk, the lies we talk, the things we see. Thank you, Allah. Thank you, Allah. Say, thank you, Allah. Everybody, thank you, Allah. But how many hearts are closed to the wonders of His sight? Like bird in a cage, asleep with closed wings. But as words stop with a call to prayer, and the bird recite, here too a sign